What's the meaning of card carrying? Card carrying. Card carrying.
Card carrying. Card carrying. The term card carrying is often used to describe someone who is a loyal and active member of a particular organization or political party. It implies that the person holds a membership card or other type of identification proving their allegiance. The phrase is commonly associated with left-leaning political movements and labor unions, but can be used in a variety of contexts. By calling someone a card-carrying member, it is suggested that they are committed and unwavering in their support for the cause or group in question.